Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Kashyap. I am the student of V.K. Acharya Memorial English Medium High School Kundapura of Udupi district.
I am Vivek of 9th grade from V.K. Acharya Memorial English Medium High School.
I am Pramod of 9th grade from V.K. Acharya English Medium Memorial High School.
I am Roshan of 9th from V.K. Acharya Memorial English Medium High School.
I am Amulya of 9th grade from V.K. Acharya English Medium High School.
These are our team members. I am glad to take this opportunity to introduce this model. We are the selected team members of Tinnovators 2014 and 2015. By the Tinnovators conducted the IQ test. We are selected in this IQ test. Now we are making a model in this stage. In the major cities, the common problem is traffic congestion. We can solve this by the GPS also. When there is a smartphone in the GPS will help us to solve the problems.
This is a city road where there is traffic congestion.
Now we had made the model based on this condition. Our model name is called Smart Traffic Management System. Now let us know the working of this model. This is the wireless GPS connection model. When the car moves, the LED will blink. As the car moves, LED will blink and the counter number will increases. When the vehicle got accident, the other vehicles will get and they stop here because they cannot move there. As the vehicle moves and stands upon the sensor, the LED will hold, indicating the traffic jam. And this GPS will have on this car, and he will get the message that when the LED hold, the driver should divert his way, and he has to reach the spot. Now let us learn the brief explanation of working of this model. Now let us learn the concept behind this model. It has 4 steps. The first one is sensor senses the vehicle. The second one is sensor sends the signal to the circuits. And the third one is the circuit sends the signal to the third circuit and to the aerial. The fourth step is this aerial signal is transmitted to this circuits, and this receives the signal and converted into DC, and this works and LED blinks as well as counter counts. The sensor senses the vehicles as well as it sent to the internal circuit. It has 2 transistors. Transistor is a 3-layer device. It has parts called emitter, base and collector. The LDR is positive terminal is connected to the base, and another region is connected to the resistance. When the chemicals became active, the transistor emits the positive charge through the emitters. Then the charge is connected to the IC. The IC charge of voltage takes place and gives 6.3 volt as a output, and it is connected to the second circuit. This circuit connects DC voltage into signals. The light dependent resistor senses the light and sends to the internal circuits. This internal circuits sends message to the second circuits here. Then the second circuit sends some signal to the aerial. Then after aerial transmits the signal to the wireless GPS connection. Then this will receive the signal as well as the LED will blink as well as counter. This LDR sensor is connected to the internal circuits. Internal circuit is behind the cardboard. This internal circuit has 2 transistors. Transistor is a 3-layer device. It has parts called emitter, base and collectors. The LDR's positive terminal is connected to the base region of the transistor, and another region is connected to the resistance. When the chemicals became active in this LDR, The transistor emits the positive charge through emitters. Then the charge is connected to the IC. In the IC, the voltage takes place as well as it sends to the second circuits. This second circuits converts the DC current into the signals and it is transmitted through the antenna, and the GPS will receive the signal as well as the working model shows. Inside this there is a circuit. Then the circuit receives the signal and converts as a DC. The LED will blink as well as counter counts with the help of this DC current. This is the final working of this model. Thank you.